Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and today we're going to be making a high voltage energy generator. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make one and what are some educational ways that we can use it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, let's get started. You're only going to need a few simple parts for this build. First up, a rechargeable 3.7 volt Li-ion battery. I'm using an 18651. Next, grab a 400 kilovolt high energy generator module. Then grab 2 nails or screws. Either one works, but usually nails perform a bit better, although I will be using screws for this project. You'll also need a basic push button switch. You don't need anything fancy. You could get a nice one off Amazon, but even the regular one from an Arduino kit works perfectly fine. And finally, grab a USB Type-C charging module so that we can recharge the battery. That's going to be our charging port for the battery. Alright, so let's get started with the project. First, let's define what each part does. These 2 screws, or nails, are basically where the energy is going to arc between. We'll place them close together so that the electricity from the black high voltage module can jump between them. And that's what's going to create our energy generator. Later on, in another video, I'll show you guys how to boost the output using a capacitor, just to show how much more powerful the setup can get with just one small upgrade. Next up is the battery. This is what's going to power our entire setup. It's super simple, it's just your main energy source. The USB Type-C module is how we're going to recharge the battery so that you can use the thing basically forever. Now, the black module here is the high voltage generator. It has 2 wires, red for positive and black for ground. I've already soldered the black wire to the negative side of the battery and also to the USB charging module. I glued the two together to keep things neat. The red wire goes to the positive side of the battery. Finally, we'll trim the output wires from the module and connect them to our screws. Those are going to act as the terminal where the energy arcs between. And to finish it off, we'll add a push button switch somewhere along the circuit so that we can easily turn the generator on and off. Alright, so for the rest of the video, I'm just going to keep quiet so you guys can get some hands-on experience of building things for yourself. Alright guys, now if you follow the build accordingly, you should end up with something that does this.